In our tutorial this week, we will be creating a script which will analyze two hypothetical proposals for an urban development in Singapore. The site is situated in Paya Lebar, on an airbase which is slated to be relocated from 2030. You may get more information on the plan from the official site of the Urban Redevelopment Authority of Singapore. We will run centrality and proximity analysis on the networks. These processes require a connected network of polylines and a grid of cells. In the first two parts of the tutorial, we will go through the creation of the connected network from disconnected geographical data. We will also generate a grid of cells that covers the site. In the final part, we will run through the Mobius functions that will perform the analysis and visualize the results. The first flowchart is responsible for joining the disconnected roads into a single road network. It also links transport nodes to the network to facilitate our proximity analysis later. Roads are also simplified before the model is exported. We have prepared two sets of GeoJSON data, and saved it in the cloud. This network was run twice to generate a simplified connected network for each proposal. The function, modify.fuse, fuse positions that lie within a specified tolerance of one another. This function effectively joins polylines that have positions which are close to another. In the next step, we join the polylines at locations where edges intersect. For this, we use the function, poly2d.stitch. This step is to ensure that overlapping polylines that cross one another are correctly represented as a crossroad in the network. Next, transport nodes are imported and added to the network. The transport nodes are imported as points and we use the analyze.nearest function to find the position in the network which is closest to each specified node. To speed up the execution, positions in the network which are more than 500 meters away are ignored in the computation. In this case, we have also specified a maximum of one closest neighbor as we will only connect each transport node to the closest neighbor with a single, simple path. Finally, the roads were simplified and exported.